Hey guys, in this video, we're just going to talk a little bit about the VIX. So this is your market volatility index. So this measures the volatility of the S&P 500. So everybody knows that we had that nice big rip in volatility this past week. And as we slowly revert back to the mean, we're going to find out where that is. And you can see that really it's going to be right around this 1670 level. And that's just basically our first support that we're really looking at. And that's, you can see that we bounced off of it and a little bit under it, but basically right around that all of April and the beginning of May. And you can see that really that last big push off of that 1670, you can see that's when we kind of ripped up. So as we revert back, that's going to be a level to watch out for. But really, this 50-day moving average, if we can stay below this, then that'll kind of confirm that we're going to go back down and hit that $16 level first. But if we get back above that, then we may have, we may be working our way back to this 200-day moving average here, which is going to be right at that $24 line, but obviously it'll move. So really anything above 22 is where we're kind of looking at if we stay above this 50-day moving average. But going forward, obviously we have to be careful out here. Volatility is a good thing though. So this whole last week, if you were trading and you were just, volatility is a trader's best friend. So if you were trading and you were just pissed off at the markets because volatility was kicking in, then obviously you're probably trading incorrectly, or there's something wrong, because we want volatility. Obviously, you don't want the whole market to pull back as crazy as it did, but you have to accept that, oh yeah, we were due for that. We needed that. Now we have volatility. Here we go. Now let's make our moves. So going forward, just on the VIX in general, if we get back down to these 1670s levels, I would be watching for quick little rips up here, right? Okay, not that we're gonna like rip all the way up again, as like this past week, but quick little rips here and there, just for you. I don't think that we're gonna just pull back in the VIX and the market's just going to shoot right up. But I think that we are going to revert back, and I don't think that we're going to be under 1670 anytime soon in the VIX. So that's what I'd be watching for. If we get back down in the 1670s, just kind of watch for little rips here and there as we get along, and just kind of figure out what's going on with this whole market, with the whole economy. You know, Biden, Israel, we have China and Taiwan, we got Russia, Ukraine, we got crazy things going on right now in the world. And maybe we always say that the markets are forward looking, so maybe this is just kind of like a harbinger. This is kind of foreshadowing what will happen in the near future, but maybe not. You know what I mean? Maybe we were just due for that, and then we're going to revert back, and then we'll get quick little pops here and there. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see, but 1670, that's going to be your main level. So what traders are pricing in the VIX right now, basically by May 19th, you have around a $1.50 expected move. May 26th, $2.50. Your June 16 AMs, that's $4.25. And June 23rds, that's going to be right around $3.50. So that's kind of what all the traders are pricing in for the VIX right now. But obviously, we'll have to wait and see. But really, nice big green day yesterday, and that's where this red candle came into play. So that is good for the markets. But again, are we going to be able to sustain that level? Not really sure, but volatility kicking in is always a good thing. And even if we do revert back down the 670s, little rips and dips here and there, we will take it and we will trade accordingly. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.